Hi everyone. This video is going to show you how to process Rapido requests and get them ready to ship out to other libraries across the state. So the first step is to print Rapido pick slips. That's in an earlier video that you can go watch now. Once the students have pulled the books and put the pick slips inside the books, you will then complete this process in order to ship the items out to Ohio Link. And I'm going to show you first what a pick slip looks like for Rapido. So this is the pick slip or a paging slip or a pull slip, whatever you want to call it. And it has important information on here, like where the item to pull is located, where's the barcode, what's the call number. You will also need this external request ID in order to do this process going forward. So that's what the pick slip looks like. I'll go back to Alma. In Alma, for processing these Rapido items, you are going to go to, on this left-hand side, the navigation screen, you're going to go to fulfillment, and you're going to go to resource sharing, shipping items. Go ahead and select that. From here, you want to make sure that the automatically print slip is no. You want to make sure that the shipping format is physical. And then you'll need to enter two items. You'll need to scan the request ID, and that's that barcode that's on the pick slip. Do that right now. And then you'll need to enter the barcode. Also scan that. And Alma matches the two to make sure you have the right slip in the right book. And then if I scroll down, you can see that this request has now been shipped. So it can be banded and sent out in the through the courier. And you can just go to the next one in line. But remember, you need to have the request ID. That'll be the barcode that's on the pick slip. And you need to have the barcode on the book. And then you just scan and go from there. Thank you.